Welcome everyone to my channel, and today we're going to Bauman Sawmill, and it is a paradise for carpenters. It's on 6426 Yachten Side Road, Wallasteen. Here you'll find unique pieces of wood from great Canadian trees.
Wow, it's beautiful. For $45 each, or $6 for the split. That's like looking at it now.
If you are a handy carpenter, you sure can make something wonderful out of these pieces. There are many unique pieces and sizes where you can make tables or side tables or bar tables.
Isn't that nice looking wood? Like just looking at it, it's just...
We come here to find a nice piece of wood for a small project that my husband Grant is planning to do. And here you see beautiful, magnificent pieces of wood from our Canadian trees. Today there's a sale going on, and if you look at this, $500 for this huge, unique piece. That is not expensive, considering if you go into a shop with a ready-made table from a piece of wood like that, you're going to pay about 3 times more. For a carpenter, this is a great store to find a very special, magnificent piece to make something very wonderful. Well, my husband did find the perfect piece of wood for his next project, and it only costed $3 because there was a sale going on. Well, thank you everyone for joining me today. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and join me in the next video.